Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Void Creation. Today we're bringing you an exciting cricket update featuring an action-packed T20 clash between NT Strike and ACT Comets. Get ready for an intense battle as these two teams face each other in the top-end T20. With powerful batting, aggressive bowling, sharp fielding, and plenty of T20 excitement, this is a match that cricket fans will definitely want to watch. NT Strike will be looking to make a strong impact with their batting and bowling attack. On the other side, ACT Comets will be determined to give their best and take control of the game. In T20 cricket, every ball can change the match. One big six, one brilliant catch, or one important wicket can completely turn the momentum. That is what makes this format so exciting and unpredictable. So if you are a true cricket lover, stay with us and enjoy all the action from this exciting NTS versus ACT encounter. And before we continue, if you're enjoying the video, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Void Creation channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest cricket videos, match updates, and exciting content. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the cricket action. Who do you think will come out on top, NT Strike or ACT Comets? Let us know your prediction in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Void Creation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more exciting cricket content. Thanks for watching.